Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to enable or disable customer accounts in your Shopify store. Managing customer accounts lets us control whether shoppers can create profiles, log in, and view their order history. Let's walk through the steps together. On the Shopify dashboard, we will go to Settings, which is located in the lower left corner. From there, we just need to click on Customer Accounts. Under New Customer Accounts, we can choose what our customers are able to do. We can disable the self-service option, hide the sign-in link, or turn these features on or off based on what works best for us. We can also enable or disable the account creation option as needed. On top of that, we can manage the authentication options here. We do this by simply turning it on or off, depending on our preference. Take a moment to review and adjust these settings. Once we are happy with everything, we just need to save the changes, and that's how we enable or disable customer accounts in our Shopify store. With the right settings, we can create the best experience for our customers and keep things running smoothly for our business.